My name is Reese Hilburn. I'm a tattoo artist of 7 years, and I work in sunny San Diego, California in my private studio. Today, I want to talk to you about the FK Irons Flux. This is FK Irons machine, first cordless machine, and it is pretty fucking awesome. I have to admit it. So FK Irons had approached me at the Milano Tattoo Convention weeks ago. I had the joy and honor of being able to test this little bad boy out. Now, of course, the first questions that are going through my mind are that first, it's cordless. Does that mean the power is gonna bog down? Does that mean how long is it actually going to last? So when they handed me this machine, I was a little skeptical because I was like, it's not hooked up to anything. How is it gonna last me anything? So to my pleasant surprise, I was able to utilize this machine the entire weekend at the Milano Tattoo Convention, 7 hours a day. And the first day that I ended up using it, not being in the habit of plugging in my machines to anything while I'm taking a break, I actually went as far as 5 hours before I ended up plugging it in the first time. And that was only because I was reminded by FK Irons team to plug it in. And I was like, oh my God, I should plug this in. It wasn't because it was getting bogged down, and it wasn't because I noticed it at all that the power was faltering in any which way. It utilizes a Usbc cord, which is really awesome because if you own an iPad, something like that, makes life easy. It's not some special cord that FK Irons makes for itself and that only works for this. You can literally plug it into your iPad charger and you're gold. On and off button, up and down for voltage for your speed, whether you want it slower or faster. The color ends up changing when you go up and down. I do color and black and gray, and with my color pieces, I've noticed that even just the packing of the color just goes right in there, especially black. I've noticed it's just so smooth. And I've noticed that even my tattoos feel so lovely. And there's just a lot of really gentleness to the machine, as well as hardness when I'm doing, when I wanna get down with some like thick, bold lines. And I was really skeptical about that because, you know, some machines work better than others in other areas, and to be able to utilize one machine for an entire tattoo for any style, that is pretty radical. I didn't realize how much a cord definitely stunts the possibility of movement in my tattoo and over my clients. You know, I will be very honest, when I have a cord in my way and I'm tattooing, I don't realize that that cord is in my way because I'm so used to it. But when I went to the Flux and started to utilize this and realized that I had so much more range of motion, and I actually could get even more detail into my tattoos, which is crazy because I'm already so detail oriented. I don't skip over detail. I would say that the machine is amazing at all styles. Honestly, I can't rave enough about it. It's my new favorite, and I would totally recommend it. FK Irons Flux is absolutely amazing. I have no idea what they're gonna think of next to make this thing even better, but I say go for it now. Get the machine now. I hope this helps you guys in your decision making on what machines you should get next. I recommended it to all of my tattoo artists that work for me, and so everybody's on the list to getting one, and I'm excited for all you guys to try it out. So thanks so much again, FK Irons. You guys are the best. I treasure this thing with my life. Thanks again.